San get limba. And then those days that a class was saying now the plot. So this one is not Birkenstock. This one is like a Primark, but I bought this one. I never wear this one, so I'm gonna wear one day. This one is Birkenstock. This one, my cousin's sister Omo, she gave it to me. This one long time. This still is new. Look, thank you so much, Omo. Omo gave me this one. This one I bought like a long time, long year ago. This one. That time when I bought this one, that time I have only one Birkenstock. I will show you. You know what? I bought this one when my first Birkenstock is this one, the white one. I bought in my life. I bought this Birkenstock first time. First time I wear this Birkenstock. This one is long time. I think I bought this one like 2015 or 16. This one is my first Birkenstock, and this one is my second Birkenstock, and I bought this one, second one, these two, and this one is, and this one, and then after that I don't remember which one I bought it, but I have so many Birkenstock. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have a 12 Birkenstock. These all are my Birkenstock. And this one is my boots, like a Timberland. This one is Dr. Martin. And this one is Reebok. This one is Reebok. And this one is my OC shoes. This Beja shoes, and this Birkenstock is Lobsang. It's not mine. And the down there is the Lobsang shoes. The Dr. Martin, Timberland, and this is shoes. And so from down there, so I'm the Tory Branch Birkenstock. This one and these two all Birkenstock. This one is my home. this one is Steve Martin, and this one is Michael Kors. This one I bought long time, so that I don't want to wear now. So this one is Tory Burch sleeper. This one is Tory Burch. This one is Tory Burch. And this one is my Vans shoes. This one is my first Vans shoes. Now this one is hole. Here is a hole little bit because of my nails, because I have long nails that time. But it's still good. And this one is also my Vans shoes. And this one, the down there I put all the sleeper. This one is my Hollister. This one is my home sleeper. Ox. Okay, so I will go this way. Oh. And this one is my Gucci shoes. The Gucci shoes unboxing season one Gucci shoes. And this one is Prada. I have a Prada sleeper here. And then this one's Lobson Nike shoes. Then what I have here, I have it down there like a Nike. The Nike, yeah. I have this Nike, but I never wear this one. I bought this one and I never wear this one. And this one is my Golden Goose. Look this. They did a Golden Goose. This is my Golden Goose shoes. I wear this one 2 or 3 times. And this one is my Adidas. And this one is my Veja shoes. This one I bought new one. I bought this one Veja the first time. So this one is my first Veja shoes. And then this one I bought the second time. So comfortable. I like these shoes. And this one is Vans. This one is also Vans. Vans Jera. This one is also Vans. This one's my new one. I will show you my first, the old one. This one is, I bought this one first time, and then it's not bad. It's good. But I bought this one, second one. It's the same Vans shoes, but it's new. The Vans shit. And this one also Vans. This one I think my boss gave it to me. Long time when I work in Williamsburg, that time. And this one I bought it. This is my Vans shoes, the yellow one. I wear this one few times, but still new. And this one is Vans too. This one is my old one. Okay, that the news today. That has been my Hango gaji vlogs to so some house one. 아니 다 레레레스 아 맞긴 소드나 되게 뭔가 사탕이 롭스 텐션 봐. 야, 다 디너로즈레다 한국 컬렉션 라나베다 다라한테 상마 간데 악스타. 오체, 크록스체, Tory Burch. These two are Birkenstock. Down there sleeper, Tory Burch and everything. So this one's my Timberland, this one is Dr. Martin, Reebok, and yeah, something like this. So all done. 다 된다고지. 당연히 참아 된다고지. 롭스 비디오 찍는 참아 롭스 쓰셔야 봐. 오케이. 아니 참아로 짜고지. Happy good weekend. 칼라니 스웨차이. 아니 나야 참아 스웨차이. Everything is done now. So I will see you in next vlog, and thank you. Take care. Be safe.